Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for some inspiration for creative wooden balance bike designs? Today, we're going to talk about creative wooden balance bike designs that will inspire you to create your own unique bike. Wooden balance bikes are a great way to introduce your child to the world of cycling. They're lightweight, easy to handle, and perfect for developing balance and coordination skills. But why settle for a plain, boring bike when you can create something truly unique and special? There are so many creative wooden balance bike designs out there that will inspire you to get creative and build your own. From animal-inspired designs to colorful patterns, the possibilities are endless. Building your own wooden balance bike is easier than you might think. With a few basic tools and some creativity, you can create a bike that's truly one of a kind. And the best part? Your child will love riding a bike that you built just for them. It's a great way to bond with your child and create memories that will last a lifetime. As mentioned above, today we will show you a collection of more than 80 creative wooden balance bike designs, inspiration and ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The most common construction materials for balance bikes are wood, plastic, and metal, with wooden balance bikes the most popular. Wooden balance bikes have a few advantages over metal ones. For example, the wooden bike frame is more substantial and thicker than that of a metal bike. The wooden bike provides better shock absorption and vibration dampening. Wood is also an eco-friendly material compared to metal. In addition, a wooden balance bike can be a more sustainable and durable alternative to plastic bikes. Balance bikes are a great way to introduce young children to cycling and improve their balance. There are many different designs to choose from, ranging from classic to modern. Some wooden bikes have a minimalist design, while others are more detailed and colorful. Vintage-style bikes with leather accents and wooden rims have a timeless and elegant look. For a more eco-friendly option, you can make your own balance bike using reclaimed wood. A balance bike that can convert into a regular bike is a practical and cost-efficient option. You can also add custom features like a storage compartment or a personalized nameplate. Wooden balance bikes can be a great canvas for artistic expression and creativity. A bike painted with geometric shapes or patterns can make a bold and unique statement. Combining wood with other materials like metal or fabric can create an interesting contrast of textures. When choosing a wooden balance bike, make sure to consider the size and weight capacity. Balance bikes are available in different sizes to accommodate children of different ages and heights. Supporting small businesses that specialize in handmade wooden bikes is a great way to support local artisans. Whether you opt for a classic design or a custom-made bike, a wooden balance bike is sure to delight and inspire. Wooden balance bikes can be reused and recycled. They are often made from birch wood and materials with high quality. Wooden balance bikes are durable throughout time and changed environment. They also help children maintain balance easily during the practicing time and experience the feeling of stability and flexibility. Riding a wooden balance bike results in lots of benefits for individuals, including benefits for the health and body. You can ride a balance bike on any flat surface such as pavement, grass, or dirt. It is important to wear a helmet and other protective gear when riding a balance bike. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative wooden balance bike designs, inspiration and ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.